In general, there are 3 types of locking systems. A distinction is made between a wheel lock, a directional lock, or a total lock. Let's step into the details of every single one of them. The wheel lock. Wheel locks prevent the rotation of the wheel and do not lock the swivel head, but only the wheel. This often applies to smaller casters where either a swivel lock is not needed or not implementable in technical terms. In our article number system, casters with wheel lock can be easily identified by the 5 in the 4th position. The directional lock. The directional lock fixes the running direction of the caster and turns a swivel caster into a fixed caster, which can then only travel in one direction. This is extremely helpful with applications that tend to be heavier or bigger. Otherwise, the application would be hard to control. In our article number system, casters with directional lock function can be easily identified by the 1 in the 4th position. The total lock. The total locking device fixes the swivel bearing and the wheel at the same time. It needs a more elaborate design to ensure that both moving elements of the caster are locked at the same time. The brake lever is located either at the tail end or at the front end of the caster. They can be easily identified in the product code, as the 4th digit is a 7 or a 2. Heavy-duty casters tend to have the lock at the front and not the tail end of the caster, as heavy loads are often pulled by a separate machine. Installing them at the front avoids walking around the application to engage the locks. For many institutional and industrial casters, the lock is located at the tail end of the caster, as most applications here are rather pushed than pulled. Thank you for watching.